are bees, a beehive, and I'm being brave right now filming this, but it's so interesting. This is in Denmark. This is in a beautiful garden from the 17th century. And the smoke is, what is the smoke doing? Oh, calming the bees.
I don't know.
The bees are being drugged by the
Yeah.
smoke. Oh my gosh, this is so special! I'm like, look at the giant, I think that's a sunflower. Oh, look at all the great vegetables. Now, which part is the honeycomb?
No, he doesn't have much yet. He hasn't gotten down there.
He's getting to the honeycomb. I think the bees like this.
Yeah, you come over and see.
Okay, he's inviting us for a closer look. Oh my goodness! Oh, look at that! Is it?
Are you selling the honey here?
Yes,
Yeah.
over there.
Oh.
In this house. You had taste?
Oh yes. What kind of bees are these?
Yeah, in blends.
Oh,
In
goodness.
breakfast.
Mmm.
It's delicious.
Yes,
Oh, it's very good.
Oh my goodness.
How many bees in these hives do you think?
Oh, I think
Many thousands?
50, 60,000.
Wow. Incredible.
Mm.
Yeah. Look at this, and you buy.
Oh,
yeah,
look.
babies. Yeah.
Babies.
Yes.
Little baby bees. And there's your log, right?
You keep track of
Keep
your,
track?
your work.
Oh my goodness. Look at those.
Great.
Now, okay, these are, I know something about bees. Now, the queen bee, do you know where she is? Or is it too hard to find her? Look at all the different honeycombs. How can you tell it's the queen bee?
The queen bee?
Mm-hmm.
Bigger?
What?
Bigger?
Bigger? Yes, a little bigger. Yes.
She might be hard to find. There's only one queen, right?
It's make 2,500 eggs a day.
2,000. Oh my gosh, eggs a day. That's a queen?
No, it's
Oh.
a drone.
Drone.
Can't stick.
The drone.
Can't stick.
Yeah. That's incredible.
Oh my goodness, that's
Thank
great.
you.